will never fail. No, Rock of Ages, never. We have a Father who will never fail. Oh yes, we have a Father who will never fail us. Jesus is our Father, He will never fail us. Rock of Ages, never fail. Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? And say nobody. Who can battle with the
Calm down now, but you want to push.
You will recall that the three of us. You will recall that the three of us had approached the Federal High Court.
Please. No, that leave me.
We are begging somebody that will not pass for you.
Let them just speak here.
Just say. Let me bring back. Oh no, yeah. Sorry.
Would not like you to react to all the judgments that we delivered from 9 a.m. to Can you react to the judgments?
Members of the press, good evening, please. On behalf of PDP, I want to most sincerely thank the justices of the Court of Appeal for their hard work and industry. Not only in the marathon manner, they had the appeals, but even the way they delivered judgment this morning up to this evening. We have listened to the judgments of the Court of Appeal, and we still maintain our position that our courts have no business in meddling into matters that are purely political. These are matters that should be left to the internal affairs and internal resolution of the political parties. We have asked our lawyers to collect the certified true copies of the judgments that have just been delivered by the court. The court had promised that the judgments should be ready by tomorrow. So as soon as the judgments are received by our lawyers, they will advise us on what further necessary steps to take, if any, on the basis of such judgment. So unless that is done for now, I will say good evening, members of the press. Thank you very much.
I'd like you to react to the judgments that have been delivered today. How would you react so far?
Well, first of all, this is victory for PDP.
Come this way, please. Go on.
Victory for every member of PDP in Nigeria and across Nigeria. It's a victory for everyone. Justice has been done. I want to appreciate the court for being very critical in this judgment. And it's a wake-up call for political parties to be able to ensure that their affairs, the party, is being guided by the Constitution and other guidelines instead laws. For us, we represent nobody because we are all PDP. And it's an opportunity to us call on every member of PDP to come back home. Let us move ahead. It's an opportunity for us.
Sir, the court affirmed your suspension in the party. It has been going since.
Well, you've had, if you are the court, you have heard that there was not like suspension, and it was not before the court. So that is just a mere
So what's next for the party given this judgment now that we're done from the Court of Appeal? How ready are you guys for 2027?
Well, I can see already we have commenced with because of the judgment of the Federal High Court, I want to show which asks us to go and ensure that Congresses of the 14 states have been done. We have already started that. And then we're also preparing for our next convention, which will take place between 29th and 30th of next month. So I believe that other things are going on. We have also commenced our e-registration as a party. We are ready for the 2027 election.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
What's your take? What's your advice?
Well, like I said, I have advised that what we want is peace in the party. Like I said, I have not won anybody. This is a victory for every member of PDP. So if anybody decide or insists to go further, well, I wish them luck. But I don't think there will be anything different from what I've had today.
No,